Since you clicked on this video, we congratulate you on your decision of switching to healthy cooking. After extensive research and testing, we've brought for you this list of the best air fryers of 2024. These are the only 3 air fryers that you need to consider this year, and we assure you that by the end of this video, you will find the perfect kitchen companion for you, which will perfectly suit your needs. Stay with us till the end for amazing tips and insights from our team of experts. At the number 3 spot in this list, we have the Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer. This is the best value for money air fryer in this list. This air fryer impressed our experts with its super quick cooking, great capacity, and cool extra features. This is an extremely versatile, do-it-all gadget which is easy to use, affordable, and a perfect fit for everyone ranging from bachelors to large families. It is a straightforward and consistent gadget with no bells or whistles. It is a basket-style fryer with 4 basic functions: roast, reheat, air fry, and bake. It has a regular fan system which is typical of air fryers, which circulates hot air pretty much like a convection oven to rapidly crisp up the exterior of foods while cooking them throughout with the use of little to no oil. The temperature range of this gadget is 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This enables you to cook a huge variety of different dishes at the right temperature, ranging from potatoes to steak. The Instant Vortex looks extremely minimalistic and will be a stylish addition to your kitchen. It features an air filtration system which helps to auto-clean the appliance. It also boasts a use of 95% less oil in cooking the same crispy and flavorful fried foods. It comes with 8 different presets for making hundreds of different recipes with ease. The frying basket is quite easy to slide in and take out, and it also features an additional perforated tray that allows the hot air to circulate below the food as well. This means that the fat and grease from ribs and chicken wings will drip away, leading to perfectly crunchy food that is evenly crisped on all the sides. This air fryer is extremely spacious with a capacity of 6 quarts, so you will be able to make big batches at once, making it suitable even for bigger families. During our testing of the Instant Vortex, our experts were blown away by the exceptional results. The fried chicken came out with extremely crispy skin and equally moist meat. It even baked chewy and moist cookies and made perfectly golden, crispy, and evenly cooked fries. The consistency of this air fryer easily beats some of its more expensive contenders on the market as well. This air fryer's reheat option is also extremely helpful, and it reheats any type of food without making it dry or taste burnt. It brings soggy leftovers back to life, giving them the perfect crunch again. Its control panel is impressively intuitive and is one of the easiest to use out of all the air fryers available in the market right now. It features really straightforward and simple buttons. The air fryer gives out a beep sound when it's preheated, then again halfway through the cooking to alert you to flip or shake the food, and then again when it's finished cooking. There is also a light built into the air fryer which helps you see inside without having to stop and open the drawer. Although it might seem like a small feature, it comes in extremely handy and saves you from accidentally burning your food, as you can keep a watch on it while it's cooking. Another feature that we really liked in the Instant Vortex air fryer is the non-stick coating on its frying basket. This makes cleaning super easy as any food particles just get wiped off with tissue paper. The basket is also dishwasher friendly, but you won't have to toss it in the dishwasher unless you cook something very greasy, which cannot be dry wiped. There are 2 really unique and impressive features in this air fryer, which make it stand out of the crowd. It has an overheating protection feature and a sensor that turns the oven off automatically when not in use. These features make it great for homes with small children, as it can avert any fire accidents in case a child accidentally turns the air fryer on. The Instant Vortex is the best air fryer for big and busy families where lots of food is made on a daily basis. Since the cooking basket is huge and the controls are extremely easy to understand, weeknight meal planning will become much faster and streamlined with this gadget. The basket is spacious enough to fit a whole 4-pound chicken or 2 pounds of fries at once. The spacious size of the air fryer also means that it will take a little extra space on your countertop. It weighs 12 pounds and will take 12 square inches of space on your kitchen counter. But if you cook large amounts of food every day, this air fryer is definitely worth the investment, as it will help you spend less time standing in the kitchen and more time with your family. It is a functional and dedicated air fryer which gets the job done really well without overcomplicating things. If you're a rookie who is trying to learn cooking for the first time, or a bachelor who isn't passionate about cooking and just needs to whip up quick snacks or simple meals with as little time and effort as possible, or a working mom who doesn't have too much time to spare in the kitchen but wants her family to eat healthy, the Instant Vortex will be the perfect fit for you. This air fryer is priced at just $100 and comes with a 1-year warranty as well. It has an unbelievable assortment of features and unmatched performance for a surprisingly affordable price. We really couldn't have asked for more from this air fryer at this price. We give the Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer 4 out of 5 stars. Coming to the second spot in this list, we have the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer. This is the best air fryer if you want to cook 2 different things at once. If you often find yourself sorting arguments between your kids over what they want for dinner, this air fryer is a godsend for you. One person in your family wants fries, while the other one wants chicken, and you don't have time to make both things? The good news is that now you can make both things at once. 2 separate recipes, 2 different temperatures, and entirely different cook settings. And even if you're cooking only one dish, you can still load both the baskets with it and make an equivalent capacity of 2 batches in the time of 1. We know it seems almost too good to be true. Coming to the design of this air fryer, it is a rectangular appliance almost as big as a small oven. It comes in a sleek matte gray finish, measures 15 by 13 inches, and weighs almost 24 pounds. It features 2 baskets with 2 handles positioned side by side. There is a big fully digital display panel on the top of the gadget which displays the settings separately for both the baskets. Overall, it is a very well-designed device which looks modern and versatile, and will suit any type of kitchen aesthetic due to its humble gray finish. The cooking performance of this air fryer will leave you impressed, and if you're doubtful that having 2 baskets will limit its performance capacity, the Ninja Foodi Dual Basket will gracefully prove you wrong. It comes with 6 cooking modes: air broil, air fry, dehydrate, bake, reheat, and roast. The combination of these modes is capable of creating any dish that you can think of making. A great feature in this air fryer is that it doesn't need to be preheated, and that doesn't lead to any increase in the cooking time either. You can either place the same quantity and same kind of food in both of the baskets, or different ingredients and quantities in each basket. Each basket can be programmed separately with its own cooking mode, temperature, and time. We know it will be the biggest doubt in anyone's mind with this dual basket feature. For example, if you're cooking steak and fries, the fries will take much lesser time than the steak to cook. And by the time the steak is ready, the fries will have already become soggy. But the Ninja Foodi takes care of this problem as well. Based on the ingredients and settings selected for both baskets, this air fryer calculates when to start cooking each item so that both of them will get ready at the exact same time. So with the steak and fries, the fries will start cooking when the steak is half done, so that you get both items hot and crispy ready to be served together. The dual basket feature is extremely flexible and can accommodate all different types of cooking needs. You can either cook 2 totally different items in both the baskets, or the same food with 2 different degrees of doneness, or the exact same recipe in both the baskets, and you can even make just 1 item in one basket and leave the other basket empty. The capacity of each basket is 4 quarts, but piling up food to the top will lead to uneven crisping. We recommend leaving some space for tossing and shaking to get perfect, evenly cooked results. Each basket can easily accommodate 2 pounds of fries, which means you can make 4 pounds of fries at once with this amazing gadget. You can also make 4 hamburgers at once, with 2 in each basket. And cooking such large amount of food doesn't lead to any compromise on the quality either. All your food will come out evenly cooked and crisp every single time. The only catch with the Ninja Foodi 2-basket air fryer is that it can be a little challenging to understand its functions at first. It's a multifunctional device and the programming is a bit complicated. If you're keen on purchasing this air fryer, you should be prepared to read the user manual many times in the initial days. Once you get used to the programming, cooking in this air fryer will be a breeze. It also comes with a quick start guide with detailed instructions on operation, some recipes, and many cooking charts. The buttons on the digital panel are very well placed and responsive. Both of the baskets also feature racks to place the food. The air fryer is designed such that pulling the baskets, lifting the racks, and repositioning everything is extremely smooth and easy. The most impressive feature of this air fryer is that it is impossible to get burned by it. The surface remains cool to touch even when it is in use. All the removable parts of the air fryer have a non-stick coating for easy cleaning, and they're also dishwasher safe. The only drawback with this air fryer is that it makes a considerable amount of noise. It has a dBA rating of 65.5, which is roughly equal to the level of noise of conversations in a house. If your kitchen is located such that the noise coming from this air fryer will not be too problematic for people sitting in other rooms, it is difficult to find any more faults in this extremely impressive gadget. The Ninja Fubi 2 basket air fryer is priced at $180, and we give it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Now for the number 1 spot in this list, we have the Dreo ChefMaker Combi Fryer. This is the best innovative feature-packed air fryer in this list. This is no less than a magical gadget disguised as an air fryer. It uses a special technology to retain moisture in your food, utilizes air circulation to cook food evenly, and even comes with a temperature probe so that the budding chef inside you can fulfill all your culinary fantasies. Dreo is a brand known for its innovative air fryers and fans, so it's only natural that they use their unique technology to utilize air differently, giving rise to an exceptional cooking device. This device is full of great features that will leave your mind blown, and even though this advanced gadget comes with a price tag to match, once you hear about the features, you won't think twice before making the splurge. The Dreo ChefMaker features a Combi cook technology that is equipped with 3 precise cooking tools that sense and control temperature, moisture, and time to produce perfect cooking results. The 3 tools are water atomization for adjusting moisture and temperature, super convection for powerful and accurate heating, and a dual sensing probe for precise temperature tracking. You can choose between 3 modes: Pro, Classic, and Chef mode. The probe mode lets you manually select a cooking temperature using the probe thermometer that comes with the fryer. The Classic mode lets you choose out of presets and usual cooking modes such as broil or air fry. And the Chef mode is for advanced cooks who would like to make extraordinary intricate recipes with the help of the ChefMaker app. The Dreo ChefMaker offers the highest level of accuracy in adjusting and managing your cooking status so that you get perfect quality results each time. The most remarkable feature of this air fryer is its water atomization system. It comes with a tank to store water, and it sprays a 50-micron mist on the food to regulate temperature, prevent charring, and make food moist without overcooking it. This feature is applied in the chef cooking mode. What our experts like the most about this gadget are the multiple smart cooking features. A series of modes and programmable features make this air fryer extremely user-friendly, no matter whether you're a professional chef or a complete rookie who can't tell a fork and knife apart. The Dreo ChefMaker has got your back regardless of your expertise level. Even if you're not really tech-savvy, using this air fryer will be a breeze. It gives you detailed instructions at each step, so that going wrong is next to impossible. For instance, if you're cooking steak in chef mode, the Dreo will remind you to fill the tank with water, and in the probe mode it'll not start cooking until the probe is properly inserted and hooked in place. Another great thing about this air fryer is that even though it's quite big in size, it is practically noiseless. Other than a subtle wind sound of the fan, which is barely noticeable, the Dreo makes no sound at all. It is great if you have children in the house or an open kitchen attached to the living space where too much noise coming from the kitchen can be a distraction. It also features a clear window and a light inside, so that you can watch your food cook without having to pause and open the basket. It helps make sure your food doesn't get burned in the final few minutes of the recipe. And surprisingly, a few recipes get ready even earlier than suggested in the manual when you're using the Classic Cook mode. The Dreo ChefMaker manual features recommended cooking times and temperature for common recipes, but the phone app is even more wholesome and packed with features. It offers detailed recipes, best-ranked dishes, and a huge variety of ingredient categories along with the best modes to cook them. The app lets you sync your ChefMaker to the phone so that you can track your cooking from your phone, receive alerts when time is up, and even store recipes to use later. The app also has video tutorials for recipes. The Dreo ChefMaker is an extremely smart device and includes a really intuitive touchscreen panel, which is fully digital. It has many helpful options for each ingredient type and cook mode. The digital screen also displays instructions and alerts. For example, it'll instruct you to fill the water tank for recipes where steam is required, and it will alert you to wait a few minutes before handling the probe thermometer so that you don't burn yourself. The Dreo ChefMaker is an exceptional product, but it also comes with a few challenges. The speed of this gadget is so good that it cooks a few recipes a bit too fast, in lesser time than what is recommended by the usual recipes online. Sometimes you might have to reduce the cooking time by 2 to 3 minutes or lower the temperature towards the end to get optimum results. So it's better to just stick to the recipes and recommended temperatures and cook times given in the Dreo app. Since this gadget is so powerful and fast, using general air fryer recipes might lead to overcooking or slightly burnt results. It sure is a learning curve in the beginning, but once you get used to this air fryer, you will definitely end up appreciating the fast results. Another thing is that this 15-pound air fryer requires a considerable amount of space on your countertop, which can be a problem if you have a compact kitchen. It is also quite tall, so storing it in a cupboard or pantry might be difficult too. But the Dreo ChefMaker is designed extremely well and looks quite sleek, stylish, and aesthetically pleasing. If you have the space for it, this gadget will definitely steal the show, displayed in your kitchen. Coming to the specifications, the Dreo ChefMaker has a 6-quart capacity and 5 modes: broil, bake, defrost, air fry, and dehydrate. It runs at 1800 watts and 120 volts and has a temperature range of 100 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With this air fryer, you will get a cooking tray, a pro, grilling rack, user manual, quick start guide, cook and marinade guide, cooking tray, and a non-stick basket. Coming to the price, the Dreo ChefMaker is priced at $360. The price is well justified as it has extraordinary features which are not available in any other similar gadget on the market right now. But it's worth the price only if you actually use this device as intended, which is much more than just a basic air fryer. If you're not especially keen on being adventurous and innovative with cooking, and just need a basic air fryer which gets everyday cooking done, it might be better to stick to the lesser price options in this list. Our experts looked at hundreds of user reviews, and impressively enough, the users have given an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 to this exceptional gadget. Users and our expert team both appreciate the use of smart technology in this gadget and the extremely attractive modern sleek design. A few reviews also mention a plastic smell when the air fryer is in use, but it is due to a lack of ventilation and has nothing to do with the performance of the product itself. If you're still thinking whether you should buy the Dreo ChefMaker Combi fryer or not, let's break it down for you in simple words. If you love cooking unique new dishes at home, do not have budget constraints, and can be patient for the first few days of trial error and learning how to use this device to the fullest, you can blindly trust us when we say that this will be the best investment you will ever make for your kitchen. The fast cooking competence of this gadget will not only leave your mind blown, but it will also make your daily life a lot easier. Once you get a hang of all the features and presets, you will be able to make restaurant quality food while spending little to almost no time in the kitchen. If that sounds appealing to you, go ahead and click the link in the description right now. We give the Dreo ChefMaker Combi fryer no less than 5 out of 5 stars, and it is the absolute best air fryer that you can buy in 2024. All in all, these 3 air fryers are best in their class, and choosing the perfect fit for you will depend on your needs and requirement. If you're someone who's not especially passionate about cooking and want to cook basic meals in large quantities as easily as possible, Instant Vortex will be the best suited for you. If you prioritize quality over quantity and your family demands a variety of dishes for every meal, the Ninja Fubi Dual Basket will make your life a lot easier. If you're an advanced home chef, want to create Michelin star-level recipes at home, and complicated appliance features don't scare you, the Dreo ChefMaker will definitely be a perfect fit for you. That's it for this video. Let us know in the comments which one of these air fryers you would like to purchase. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Up on Top for more such content.